My video tutorial is dedicated to help you get rid of the new ransomware called Kaaa. This is the ransomware from the DJVU ransomware family. Kaaa ransomware is called like that because it encrypts the files and appends this weird Kaaa extension to the file names. So before the ransomware's attack, you are able to open your files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Kaaa ransomware may be very easily injected into the system. And then, very soon, users just realize that they can no longer access their data. My video, of course, is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware, and I am not promoting this ransomware. For those people who have troubles understanding English or have troubles hearing my words properly, I want to say it again. I am not related to this ransomware, and I am not promoting this ransomware. My video is only for the educational purposes. If you don't want to hear these words correctly, then that's your problem. I'm sorry. Anyway, very soon users just realize that they can no longer access their data. This Kaaa ransomware encrypts the files and appends the Kaaa extension to the file names, and as a consequence it is just impossible to use the data anymore. The ransomware then tells its victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is obviously not a good idea because this does not guarantee the file restoration, and if you pay the ransom you may simply waste your money without getting the data restored. So do not pay the money, do not pay the ransom, do not waste your money. As I said, very soon users notice that their files have been damaged and encrypted by this Kaaa ransomware. So let's wait a little bit and then you will discover what exactly happens with the files. This ransomware does its malicious job very soon. But as I told you before, you should not pay the ransom. I recommend you to scan your computer with the help of reliable antivirus software such as Combo Cleaner. You may get Combo Cleaner on the page combocleaner.com. So download the application, install the software, and once it has been successfully installed, start researching your system. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode and only the quick scan option is available in the trial mode. Click on Start Scan button. Most likely the application will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of this ransomware or any other types of computer infections. Pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. This feature helps you to actually remove the ransomware and to protect your data from further ransomware or malware attacks. You can upgrade to premium and you can also request trial to actually fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.